How to use the magnetic frame or normal t-shirt frame on the 6 and 8 head machine. Firstly, we fix the t-shirt with the magnetic frame. If the material is soft, you can put some backing clothing below. And then put the magnetic frame on it. After that, this surface is very flat. And then we fix it on the machine. When we make a t-shirt or bags embroidery, we need to assemble the supporting frame on the machine. And because the frame total length we use is 360 mm, so we assemble the supporting frame. This end, 1, 2, second gap. And this side, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gap. And if you use other different length frame, you can adjust it. You can adjust it to different gap to make it suitable for different length frame. After we put the supporting frame on the machine, we fix the shirt on it. Then we make it ready on the machine. After that, we come to the machine operation. We come to the machine computer operation. First step, frame select. Select the correct frame that you put on the machine. And then press OK. After that, the frame will move automatically and stop in the center. After select the frame, we come to the next step. Select the design you want to embroider. Set to embroidery design. And then go back to main page. You can see like this. After that, you can make the machine work border. See whether the area is what you want. If the area is not what you want, you can press these icons to adjust the frame position. You can press here to adjust the speed of movement. After adjustment, you can make the machine work border. And to confirm whether the area is what you want. If the area is safe, it will show notice, no frame limit. And after that, we go back to main page. Confirm embroidery. And then we come to select color. Select color according to the thread you put on the machine. And then confirm the choice. After finish these settings, we can press start button and make the machine working. This is a multi-head machine. If you want the machine to make a sample only, you can power on only one head or two heads and power off the rest heads, like this. This head is on and this head is off. Automatic trimmer and automatic color change. And the trim is very clean and neat. After finish embroidery, we remove it from the machine.